Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, the daily candle here was it done. It's showing the market is going to reverse. But what me I told you in Friday when the end of the day finished, I told you the market is going to stay sideways here till Monday, guys. Till Monday. And as you see it, even down here, even the volume, it tell you that. Do you see it or no? The volume is showing as if you got stairs there. Same like how it happened here, if you remember. Same thing, guys. Where should we enter till the volume is getting break up or down? As you see it, it's break up here. That red candle here, the one Monday candle. Then look what's happened here. The market it take off upward, guys. Picture is very clear. You don't need to make yourself scared or something. And by the way, today the weekly candle is going to finish. So make sure to watch our video after the daily candle finishes. But here for the daily, guys, as you see it, also we still waiting that level here to be broken. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. If it doesn't here in the daily, there is no entry. Also we still sideways here. As you see it, guys. Also here, from here, look with me, from that level here till the one here, you are just sideways, guys. You see it or no? You see the picture now or no? Look with me, I will change that color. Let's make it look from here, from that one here, the one here, the one here, and the one here. And now you are in it. You are just sideways, guys. That's what me I told you. It's still early for us to think of to enter. And why also we said here, we said that inside bar which is here, and we don't said here because that one it will break it, guys, but that one is the most stronger one. That one in the top, it's very stronger level, guys. So Bitcoin it will still going upward till here, but we need to wait in if there is a break going to happen there, or from there we're going to fall down again, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, Yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin is doing right now. And so on, we're going to choose 5 stocks, guys, and we will start after European market close. We analyze for you 5 stocks, and after the daily candle we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin. So like that, we're going to have stock market and the Bitcoin, and that's what people they asking me, people they following me, they asking me to do the things for them, and we will do it, guys. So if you want to be notified more quicker, you need to join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So when we put in a new video, we're going to be notified very quick compared to here in YouTube, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. People they been with us. Also we enter from here, from that level here, from that candle here. Why did we enter, guys? People they been with us. Write it down. Why did we enter? We enter because we used to have here a price action like that, guys. From here exactly we entered. Yes or no? Last week, that one by the way is Monday. That one here, is it Monday when it happened here? From here also we enter. That about 2 weeks, guys, till now. When we reach here, I told you try to protect yourself. Yes or no? Yes, just a few videos I told you over here, protect yourself. Say something, protect yourself. And here, what did I told you? That last Saturday, I told you like that, guys. We got here a flag like that. Then it came that Monday candle, that correction here, that one. Then look what it done. It came and breaking up. So also we bring in that line here and we put it here. Yes or no? This bring for you the target, guys. Look at it by your eyes, you. Yeah, of course it brings the target. Look at that. Now what the Bitcoin give you now, right now. Even here is going to give you a flag. Another flag like that. Till Monday, then also we're going to come back to you and we'll update you about that flag, guys. And after that, maybe we're going to see it going higher, guys. Or another scenario. And I'll show you that one. Another scenario, because now we got 2 scenarios for Bitcoin, guys, here in the 4 hours. We got the first scenario. Also, we're going to continue upward. Second scenario, also we're going to fall down, guys, because that the market also we're just analyzing, guys. So I'm going to give you the 2 scenarios, guys. The first scenario, I'll show you here a flag, and another thing, you got here a hidden divergence like that. I showed it to you in the last video. You can go back and watch it. And what did I told you here? I told you for that hidden divergence is a continuation pattern, even the one. For us to enter long, it's need the Bitcoin to come to break here. That last high here. If a candle came and started here and close above here, that means it's going to be like that green candle like that is going to start here and to close here. You need to enter long. To enter short, what you need. Even that one, we put it as a scenario, guys. That one, for us to enter short, it's need the Bitcoin to come to break that up channel here. Yes or no? I showed you that one before. I told you if it came and break it here, you enter short. Why? Because all our indicators, they be in here at the overbought area, guys. But those ones, they are just oscillators. I tell you that thousands of times. But look with me here. Forget about that. Forget about all that, guys, here in the past. Let's make it like that. And you focus it with me just here. Just from that place here. What you seeing? Look. Over here high. Over here low. And over here high. Now what it's showing is going to give you another low. It's going to do it the same like how it happened here, guys. In Monday candle, if we're going to go higher in Monday candle, you're going to see a big drop down. Then after that, you're going to see a big going up. Like how it happened here, exactly in that zone here. So what you seeing, guys? Look with me here again. Trend, rest in, try to trap you down. Then after that, they go up. Yes or no? Same thing here. Rest in. If we are going to go down, it's going to trap you going up. Then you're going to see it going down. Now the first scenario, if we are going to go up, guys, rest in here. Saturday and Sunday, they will try to trap you down. Then Tuesday, you're going to see the Bitcoin going up. That the market makers, guys, how they work in a bull run. I remember that. That thanks no one will teach it to you, guys. And is it in front of you? Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator here, guys. Last video we show you here, we got a divergence. If you don't watch it, go back and watch it. We told you that one is a continuation pattern, and me, my view personally, I think is going to go higher till here. But as I tell it to you, Monday, it will touch that trend line here. Then after that, we're going to go up. But that's just a scenario, guys. It might from here is going to break down here, and you're going to see it going down till the oversold area. Even that one, you need to put it as a scenario. So what should you do? By the way, before we continue, did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Pause the video now. Smash the like button, writing down a comment. Even you, I know you got another channel, but it's okay. Pause the video and smashing the like button. You check in the analysis, it's okay. It's okay. Also, we're giving everything free here just to help crypto community. It's okay to check our analysis. Is better for you than to put in analysis you don't know any relation to the market. But please support us. Smash the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. So as we said, guys, there is two scenarios. Also, we're going to go up, or another scenario, we're going to break and we're going to go down. What is it the most closest one now? No one, guys, because the Fed, they still have problems. And we show you before, guys, the VIX is under 20. All that is it in one side. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, we show you here, we are here at the overbought area. Yes or no? Should you enter short now? No, my friend. That one is just an oscillator. For us to enter short, what we need? People, they begin with us. What else we need? We need three things, guys. For the person who just came now, we need three signs. The first thing, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And yes, we are in one, as you see it in front of you. Second thing, what we need, our indicator to be at the oversold or overbought area. And we are here at the overbought area, guys. Third thing, and that one is the most important. Without that one, all the first and the second, they don't exist. Just forget about that. The third thing, and that one is the most important part of that strategy, guys. For you to enter, you need a price action. Where is the price action? Is that uptrend we got. So for us to enter short, what we need is the Bitcoin to come to close below that level here, and the candle to close up below it by a power. A candle got a big volume, not small volume. Everything is too clear, guys. So now, shall we enter short? No, my friend. As I tell it to you, that one just an oscillator. It might from here is going to go till 20k, and that one staying here at the overbought area. I don't need to follow indicators, guys. Indicators, all of them, they're lagging. Plus, we use them just as a confirmation. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, also we enter a short here as a scalpers from here. Exactly from here. When we be in here yesterday, I told you protect yourself and take some of the profit. Yes or no? Stop lose of us, we put it here. Now what we got here. In the last video, what did I show you here? I do it like that. Last video, I told you if it's breaking up here, you enter long. Did it break? Is it going, guys? Is it breaking, but is it going? So what should you do now? You wait in that candle here, it's left for it 16 minutes and you enter long. Take profit, where are you going to put it? You bring that one here to that place here, bring a line like that, and you came to the candle which is going to break, and you put it like that. Anywhere where it's going to end up, you put the take profit. Stop lose, you put it down here. Not very close here, you put it down here. Look at me. See that level here? you try to put stop loss far away a little bit. Why? Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, if you remember yesterday, we be in here. I told you here, guys, protect yourself. Now I told you if it's breaking up, you enter long. Yes or no? Did it break? No, my friend, it doesn't break up. So now what should we do, guys? We need to wait. That's it. I told you if that candle close and breaking up, you enter long. If it doesn't, don't enter. How are you going to know it? Look at me. Look with me here. Like that. You see those peaks here? That one and that one. You draw them together. If a candle came and close above it like that, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So, that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.